What do I do if my iPhone doesn't connect to Wi-Fi using WPS Push Button?
Hello, iPhone users. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue you might encounter with your device: having difficulty connecting your iPhone to your Wi-Fi network using the WPS Push Button Method. Let's dive right into the steps to get you back online.
What is WPS?
WPS stands for Wi-Fi Protected Setup. It's a feature that simplifies the process of connecting to a Wi-Fi network. Some devices support the WPS Push Button Method, which allows you to connect without entering a password. However, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, iPhones do not support this feature natively. So, how do we connect your iPhone to a Wi-Fi network? Let's see.
Manually connect your iPhone to Wi-Fi.
You can manually connect your iPhone to the Wi-Fi network. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. 2. Tap on Wi-Fi. 3. Ensure that the Wi-Fi is turned on. The switch should be green. 4. Under the Choose a Network section, look for the name of your Wi-Fi network. 5. Tap on your network's name and you'll be prompted to enter the Wi-Fi password. 6. After entering the password, tap Join at the top right of your screen. You should now be connected to your Wi-Fi network.
What if I don't know my Wi-Fi password?
If you don't know your Wi-Fi password, don't worry. There are ways to retrieve it. On a Windows PC, 1. Right-click on the Wi-Fi icon at the bottom right of your screen. 2. Click on Open Network and Internet Settings. 3. Click on Network and Sharing Center. 4. Under the Active Networks, click on the name of your Wi-Fi connection. 5. Click on Wireless Properties. 6. Go to the Security tab, then click on Show Characters to reveal your Wi-Fi password. On a Mac, 1. Open Keychain Access from the Utilities folder of your Applications folder or use Spotlight to find it. 2. In the search box, enter the name of your Wi-Fi network. 3. Double-click your network name in the list. 4. Select the Show Password checkbox to reveal your Wi-Fi password. After retrieving your Wi-Fi password, you can follow the steps in the previous section to manually connect your iPhone to the Wi-Fi network. We hope this guide has been helpful in connecting your iPhone to your Wi-Fi network. Although iPhones do not support the WPS push button method, connecting manually or retrieving your Wi-Fi password is straightforward with the right guidance. Stay connected and enjoy your Wi-Fi.